Hello, do you want to create a new Gmail account on your phone? Then I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, we are going to open the Gmail app, and if you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store or App Store. If it's fresh installed, you can right away create a new account, and if you already have an account and you want to create a new one, simply go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Add another account and select Google. Here you can tap Create Account. I'm going for the personal account, but you can also choose the business account. Type in your first name and your last name and tap on Next. Select your date of birth and gender, then tap Next. Here you can type in the Gmail address you wish to have. Make sure it is not already used and make it look professional, especially if it's for work. Then tap Next, and here you need to type in your password. Make sure it is very strong and not some common word which is connected to yourself. The best would be a mix of small and big letters combined with numbers and special symbols. Once done, tap on Next, and here Next again. Here it's required to read the privacy and terms. Scroll all the way down and tap on Agree. And here you can select between 15 GB storage at no cost or keep 5 GB storage. The difference is that on unlocking the 15 GB storage option, you need to connect your mobile phone number. Select your choice. I'm gonna go for the 15 GB option and tap on Continue. Then I'm gonna type in my phone number and tap on Add phone number. To verify it's you, you are going to receive a verification code on your phone. Check your phone and type in the code right here. Then tap on Next, and here tap on Done. On this page you can take a selfie, save it to your account, and then it will be easier to get your account back. For example, if you have trouble to sign in. I'm skipping this by tapping on Not Now, and then I'm already here inside of my new Gmail account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.